जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 14th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, this Prakriti, which is the mixture of Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, this known as Maya. I am the one who established, who arranged this Maya. That is why this Maya is under my control. No one in this entire universe can cross this Maya. Because nobody is able to cross this Maya, no one is getting to know about my supremacy. No one is realizing that I am the Supreme. Because of that, they are unable to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. So all this is happening because of Maya. Then you may ask that, is there no way that we can cross this Maya? Yes, there is a way. Arjuna, because I am the one who arranged this Maya, because this Maya is under my control, I am only the one who can help you cross this Maya. Then what you need to do? You have to come and surrender unto me. You have to declare that you are mine. Then I will help you cross this Maya. Then you will understand my supremacy. Then you will completely dedicate yourself in serving me. Then you will get rid of the cycle of birth and death. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us the ultimate means for all of us to cross this Maya, realize the supremacy of Sri Krishna Paramatma and be under the service of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and then get rid of the cycle of birth and death. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Daivi Hyesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mamevaye Prapadyante Maya Metam Tarantite. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the Paramarahasya Jnanam to Vidura. Now Maitreya teaching the Srishti Kramam, the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, with Paramatma's Sankalpam, the sound, that is a Bhuta Sukshmam, that is called as subtle Bhutam. From there, Akasam comes out. Nabhasaha Anusrutam Sparsam Vikurvat Nirmame Anilam. From that Akasam, Sparsa, another touch, that Bhuta Sukshmam, subtle Bhutam, the touch comes out. Then that touch changes into wind, air, Vayu. Then now this Vayu will have its own gunam, its own quality, that is Sparsa, and also will have Akasam's quality, that is Sabdam. So in this Vayu, Sparsa is there, Sabdam also will be there. Now from the combination of this Vayu with Sparsa and Sabdam, Rupa Tanmatra, the shape, the subtle Bhutam, that comes out. Shape or form, we can call it as. That shape transforms into Tejas, that is fire, Agni, another Bhutam, another element. Now this Agni will have its own quality which is Rupam, and Agni will have Vayu's quality Sparsha, Agni will have Akasam's quality Shabdam. All these qualities will be there in Tejas, in Agni. And with the combination of all of it, from Agni, Rasa Tanmatra comes out. Rasam is liquid. From this Tanmatra, Jalam comes out. That is water. Now, this Jalam's quality is Rasa. And Jalam will have its own quality Rasam. Jalam will have Agni's quality Rupam. Jalam will have Vayu's quality Sparsha. Jalam will also have Akasam's quality Shabdam. So Jalam will have all those previous qualities in it. Then from that Jalam, Mahim Gandhagunam Adhat Kalamaya Amsayo Gataha. From this Jalam, the fragrance comes out. Fragrance is a subtle quality. From that fragrance, that Gandham, Bhumi, another element, comes out. Now in this Bhumi, it will have its own quality Gandham. Not only that, Bhumi will have all previous qualities like Jala's quality Rasam, Agni's quality Rupam, Vayu's quality Sparsha, Akasam's quality Shabdam. All these qualities will be there in element that is earth, that is Bhumi. Ho Vidra, all this entire of this process will be done with Paramatma's Sankalpam and with the combination of Kalam, Jiva, Prakriti. This is how the process of Srishti continues. Like that, Maitreya teaching to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam. Alokya maturmukhamadharena stanyam pibantam sarasiruhaksham Satchinmayam devamanantarupam balam mukundam manasa smarami balam mukundam manasa smarami. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishthati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 14th sloka. Daivi Hyesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mame Vaye Prapadyante Maya Metam Tarantite. Daivi Hyesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mame Vaye Prapadyante మాయామేతాం తరంతి తే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.